The pretty dragboat mom I'm always straightforward t-shirt is a statement piece designed for the bold and fearless. The shirt features a playful, yet confident message that any dragboat mom will proudly wear. "I'm always straightforward" speaks to the direct and honest personality of those who love speed, power, and excitement, much like the thrill of racing on the water. This shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a celebration of the dragboat racing community and the supportive, strong women who stand behind it. Whether you're attending a race, cheering from the sidelines, or just want to showcase your love for dragboats, this shirt does it with style. The design is both fun and empowering, perfectly capturing the essence of being a dragboat mom. Always ahead of the curve, straightforward, and unafraid to make an impact.